Pakistan Independence Day 14 August 1947. The sacrifice of migration, a journey of hope, courage and sacrifice. Slide 1. What was migration in 1947? What was migration during the creation of Pakistan? When British India was divided in 1940, millions of people moved across the new borders. Many Muslims moved towards Pakistan while many Hindus and Sikhs moved towards India. For many families, migration meant leaving behind their homes, net hoards, business, and belongings. This was one of the largest population movements in modern history. For the people who migrated to Pakistan, this journey was difficult, but they hoped to build new life in their new homeland. Slide 2. Why did many Muslims migrate to Pakistan? The partition created new borders between India and Pakistan. Many Muslims living in areas that had become part of India decided to move to Pakistan. They wanted to live in the new country created as a homeland for Muslims of the subcontinent. Families packed whatever belongings they could carry and began long journeys towards Pakistan. For many people, migration was not supply, moving from one place to another. It means starting life again in a new country. Slide 3. Why did the migrants leave behind homes, land and farms, shops and business, schools and neighborhoods, friends and neighbors, family memories, familiar way of life? Some people had life in the same places for generations. Leaving these places was emotionally difficult. However, they continued their journey with hope for a better future in Pakistan. What was the journey of migration like? The migration journey was extremely challenging. People traveled by trains, bus, cars, and on foot. Many families had limited food, water, and shelter during this journey. Large number of people were traveling at the same, creating difficult conditions. Despite these challenges, families continued moving towards their new homeland. The determination and courage helped they from the difficult of migration. Migrate road from the home to homeland by God, bus, walking by train, with what difficulty did migrants face? Migrants faced many challenges during and after the journey. They had to find safe places to live, food and clean water, medical care, schools for children, jobs and sources of income. Many families in Pakistan without their homes or business they had to rebuild their lives from the beginning. The government, local communities and volunteers helped many migrants settle in their new homes. How were migrants helped after arriving in Pakistan? After independence, Pakistan faced the enormous task of setting the millions of new arrivals. Government organizations, volunteers, and local communities worked to provide temporary shelters, food, medical assistance, clothing, transportation, housing, employment opportunities. Many school building and open areas were used temporarily to accommodate people. The people of Pakistan worked together to help from their new lives. How did migrants contribute to the development of Pakistan? Migrants played an important role in building the new country. Many brought their education, professional skills, business experience, and hard work with teachers, doctors, engineers, business owners, government workers, farmers, traders, skills workers. They had developed cities, business, school, and association. Their had hard work become an important part of Pakistan's early development. What lessons can we learn from the sacrifice of migrants? The story of migration teaches us many important lessons. We learn the importance of courage, facing difficult situations with strength, patience, continuing forward during difficult times, hope, believing in a better future, unity, helping one another during challenging time, hard work, rebuilding life through determination, gratitude, averaging on the freedom and we have today. Why should we remember the sacrifices of migrants? We should remember the sacrifice because they are important part of Pakistan history. Many families give up their homes and belongings and travel to an unfamiliar place to begin a new life. Their experience remind us that the creation of Pakistan involves change and sacrifice. Remembering history helps young people understand the value of freedom and importance of building and peaceful, successful country. We should remember this courage with respect and gratitude. From sacrifice to hope. The migration of 1947 was a difficult chapter in this history of subcontinent. Millions of people left their homes and started new lives in the creation of Pakistan. This courage, patience, and hard work helped build the foundation of new country. Today, we should respect the sacrifice by becoming responsible, educated, and hard-working citizens. We remember the sacrifices of the past, value our freedom today, and work for a better Pakistan tomorrow. Pakistan Zindabad, 14 August 1947, a journey of freedom, courage, and hope. Thank you.